Have you ever tried to take a screenshot, but your phone just refuses to cooperate? Maybe the buttons don't respond or you keep accidentally locking your screen. Well, today, you're about to learn 3 genius ways to screenshot on any phone, whether you're using Android, iPhone, or something in between. Method number 1, the classic button combo. Let's start with the method everyone knows, but with a twist. On most Android and iPhone devices, you simply press volume down plus power button at the same time. But here's the genius part. If your phone always locks instead, try pressing and holding for half a second before releasing. This tiny timing trick solves the issue for almost everyone. And for older iPhones with a home button, the combo is home plus power. Simple, fast, and works 99% of the time. Method number 2, use gesture shortcuts. Modern phones now include hidden gesture controls that most people never use. On many Android phones, you can swipe 3 fingers down the screen to trigger an instant screenshot. It's incredibly fast, no buttons needed. On Samsung, you can enable palm swipe to capture and just slide your hand across the screen like magic. Meanwhile, on iPhones, you can turn on back tap in accessibility settings. Just double tap the back of your phone, and boom, screenshot captured. It feels futuristic, and once you try it, you'll never go back. Method number 3, screenshot from the quick menu. Sometimes your hands are busy, or one button is broken. That's when the quick menu becomes your lifesaver. On Android, just swipe down twice to open the full quick settings panel, and tap the screenshot shortcut. It captures exactly what's on the screen without touching any physical button. On iPhone, you can use Assistive Touch, the floating on-screen button. From there, just tap Screenshot, and it works instantly, perfect for people with worn-out buttons or screen protectors that get in the way. Bonus tip, scroll screenshots. Both Android and iPhone have scroll capture features, so if you're trying to save an entire web page or long conversation, just tap scroll or full page after taking a screenshot. It stitches everything together beautifully and saves you tons of time. So there you have it. 3 genius ways to screenshot on any phone. Button combos, smart gestures, and the quick menu. Try them out and discover which one feels most natural for you. And the next time someone says their screenshot button is broken, you'll know more solutions than they ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.